understanding the statute of limitations can help you get out of debt and not have to pay an original creditor or a debt collector. You can see here, for example, Alabama has a 3-year statute of limitations on written contracts. That means that if a debt collector or original creditor has your debt and they don't do anything to collect it within 3 years, that debt cannot be collected legally. Not collected legally. So pay attention. If you need to find out the statute of limitations for your state, go to my website, the Credit Repair Shop, or you can look it up online. There's going to be written contracts. It's going to be oral, promissory notes. And on the fourth column that you see, that's for open type accounts like credit cards. And in some states, credit card statute of limitation is a lot shorter than it is for contract law. Also, you need to keep in mind that communications debt like cell phone, cable bills, that's under a 2-year statute of limitations. So if your cell phone bill goes bad and it's been past 2 years and you haven't been contacted by a debt collector, haven't made any payments or anything to reset the time frame, you legally do not have an obligation to pay that debt.